Hey you guys, coming soon this weekend, I'm going back to my very first love in arts and crafts, polymer clay. Whoop, whoop. My favorite brands are Primo and Sculpey. They are the easiest to work with. I love them so much. They don't burn. They're easy to mold. They hold their shape well without cracking and breaking and all that jazz. We're actually going to be making some, I'm not going to tell, it's going to be a surprise. So we're going to make some things with this clay this weekend, so be on the lookout for this upcoming project. Go ahead and get your clay together. I have an acrylic roller that I use. I also have a pasta machine. You don't have to have one, but if you do, it just makes things easier. And you're going to want to have like some paint brushes that you can use to shape and mold things, and maybe some dotting tools if you want to add dots and different things to your project. So super excited about what we have coming up this weekend, and I'm just showing you here all the colors and stuff that we have. You guys, this is my very first acrylic roller, and I've had it for all these years. This thing made me a ton of money. I just love it. There was some clay left on there from where my baby made acrylic rings. Clay rings last week. She is a fellow artist in her own right, and she made some rings for herself and her friends, and they came out so cute. I think she had watched it on a TikTok video. So anyway, get all your supplies together and let's get together this weekend and make some super cool stuff.